got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't.
Bakit? Ligo ka na. Isingin mo na yan. Ulit-ulit lang.
Is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we'd stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away.
Jeanette. Papunta muna dito sa bag. Punta kami na Island. Meron ano dito. Punta kami ng Mac Island. Susunduin na namin. Titingnan namin kung tapos na sila. Balik kami dito sa Mac Island. Mana talaga sa'yo. Yan namin kung tapos nang mag-swimming sila ate at tuloy yung mga bata. Makikita natin. Rele. Ano ba yun? Naku po, bakit ba tinakpan nila? Hindi tuloy natin makita. Alright. Crying like what? Why are you crying? Liam, why are you crying sa water?
What? I hate water. I want to go.
Ay,
Tita Pay. I don't Tita Pay. I don't want to go to the pool. I want to go to the kiddie pool. I said.
only in the kiddie pool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kids, not for parents.
Hello guys. Ito na sa bahay. Kanina pa pala. Tapos, mga 1:30 siguro. Wala pa kami dito sa bahay. Nakatulog ako ng mga 2 oras. Pati si Eric. Sarap matulog. Ay, ito yung nabili namin sa mall ni Eric kasi may nakasale doon. Bumili siya ng isang t-shirt at ako sale. 50% off. Tapos, yung aking iron is 20 minutes and then IV fluid ng mga 30. Ganun. Yan. At saka maaga, 9:30 appointment ko dahil maaga ko. Nung dumating ng alas 9 yung magagawa, yung technician, ay sinalang ako agad. Yung ano naman ni Eric, may doctor appointment din kasi siya kanina. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Wala sa isip ko na papunta kami. Meron siyang appointment ng 9:15 a.m. So, kailangan niya mag-surgery sa tuhod. Kasi kaliwat kanan pala dun sa tuhod niya may pilas. So, kailangan talaga ipa-surgery. Wala nang option. So, yun na lang. Kasi naglalaki. Ang saklap kung hindi siya magpapa-surgery. Tapos, mati-trigger na naman sa work. Baka mamaya mali-off na naman siya. Yun ang problema. So, habang naka-EI siya, sana habang naka-EI, itawagan siya. Kasi, 2 to 3 months ang waiting ng call para ma-schedule. So, baka mamaya, another 3 months na naman. So, yun ang problema. Ay.
Boy.
Walang toy. It's a book.
It's a boy.
Let me taste. Ano ni Daddy? Kape. So, kami ay galing sa Comuniliam. And then, ito na kami bumili ng dinner. McDo, ang gusto ng mga bata. Tapos, nuggets para sa mga bata. Oh, sorry, baby. Come on, eat na.
Fried chicken nugget. 4 chicken nuggets.
Tapos, what?
Drink.
McDouble sa akin. Wait lang. Poutine kay Eric. And then, quarter pounder. Ayan, yun sa kanya. And then, nuggets sa mga bat. Saka shake fries nila. Ba't ba nakataas ang aking ano?
What's in the center of the board? Understanding
Ang baba.
determine goes
Ay.
is a notepad for keeping
Bukay.
here's the main track.
What are you reading? Walang toys, anak.
Man is really cute.
Minion book ang meron kasi nagko-collect siya ng Minion toys. Right, Dion? Come on, eat na. Ay, naku, wala pa kinakain magbibenta agad.
If you're having trouble making a piece fit, as there are sticks
6:52 in the evening. But, maliwanag pa. Masala shake fries. Naki-open mo yung ano, yung sliding door, please.
Then we can make a crafting table, build a chest to store extra items, make a wooden pickaxe so we can actually mine, craft a furnace to smelt ores, make a light source, and finally shoot, grab 3 wood, and make a bed.
So isn't it double or no?
Later.
Expensive?
A bunch of you haters in the
Yeah, $3.99 na
How
yata.
about the chicken nuggets? Mommy?
$6 something.
Mommy? Why is it $6? Mommy?
Kumain ka, uy.
No, what's the macadamia?
What does it take to be the
Mahal na ang bilihin.
The laps of the one
Dion's not eating his nuggets.
hours in the pool. Wait,
Tumataas lahat, pera ang sahod.
From that. Where's this? Nugget. Can I?
Try mo.
Nugget, hands up. You want to rest.
Coffee.
Tastes bitter. It's bitter.
Kape yan.
What is coffee tastes bitter? I want to try this first.
Protein yun.
Ah!
Si daddy yung protein.
For gin? Ano for gin?
For Ben.
What's that? That's for gin. What's
Nilagay mo,
that?
nilagay mo dito.
No, what's that? What about in the book?
Urine.